Now we're gonna look at commands in windbg. So the first command we're gonna see is the help command itself. The help command has the information about other commands. So let's see that. So I have started a copy of the windbg and I can launch the help from here, help contents. So I have the index, search, etc. Almost all the commands in windbg is present here. We can go to the definition of any command or the documentation of any commands and see it here. So this is the single most important source of documentation as far as windbg is concerned. I'll be keep referring to this documentation as and when we proceed. Now, if I start a notepad and attach to that notepad, like we did before, so I'll be in the extreme bottom. From the command window, also I can launch the help. I have to type .hh. Again, we will reach the same place. Like I was mentioning, everything we can do through UI, we can do it through commands as well in windbg. So I'm gonna quit and detach. QD. All the commands we're gonna discuss from now onwards is either common to user mode and kernel mode, or it is user mode specific. The kernel mode specific commands we will discuss when we get into the kernel mode session. Most of the command we're gonna discuss is common to both kernel mode and user mode. Although the same commands may give a slightly different result in kernel mode, but it is essentially the same command.